How to fix TikTok not working on Android device. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, if you are having problem with your TikTok in your device, make sure that this is updated. Head over to your Play Store and here simply type in TikTok. If you see update sign here, tap on update and update your app. Now for the next step, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, then tap on your apps. You will see various applications here. You have to search for TikTok. Tap on to TikTok, scroll below, then tap on storage. Clear the cache, and if you remember your credentials like your username and password of your TikTok account, you might also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete the data. If not, you can go ahead and skip this process. Come back onto app info page, tap on force stop, then OK. Here scroll below again and tap on set as default. Make sure that this is untoggled. Once you do all this, restart your device, launch your application again, and this shall definitely fix your problem. So guys, that is all for today and thank you for watching.